Sunny Hostin has long been a powerful voice in Hollywood, known for her tough stance on corruption, advocating for justice, and holding the rich and powerful accountable. But now, all eyes are on her own household, and the allegations are truly jaw-dropping. Her husband, renowned orthopedic surgeon Emanuel Hostin, is caught in the midst of a massive federal insurance fraud case, and the question on everyone's mind is, could Sunny herself be involved? Could this be the end of her career? Buckle up. Emanuel Hostin was once a trusted name in orthopedic surgery, revered by his wealthy clients and known for his precise work. However, that reputation is now in jeopardy as he finds himself at the center of a massive insurance fraud case. The lawsuit, filed by American Transit Insurance, accuses Emanuel and nearly 200 others of being involved in an elaborate scheme to defraud insurers by performing unnecessary surgeries and medical procedures. The allegations are staggering. Investigators claim that some patients were treated without needing any procedure at all. If these claims are true, this isn't just malpractice, this is criminal activity on a massive scale. The potential fallout: Emanuel could face the loss of his medical license, criminal charges, and potentially years in prison. But as the scandal grows, attention is shifting to his wife, Sunny Hostin, who might be more involved in this. That this isn't just your average fraud case. The accusations against Emanuel Hostin are being prosecuted under RICO laws, federal statutes typically reserved for organized crime syndicates. If found guilty, Emanuel and his alleged co-conspirators could face massive penalties, with damages potentially tripled to billions of dollars. But it's not just Emanuel's career on the line. The gravity of these charges raises a critical question. Was Sunny Hostin somehow involved in orchestrating or covering up the scheme? As a former federal prosecutor, Sunny has a deep understanding of the law and knows how to manipulate the system. Was her legal expertise used to shield her husband from scrutiny, or was she completely in the dark? Things took a dramatic turn when federal agents executed a search warrant at the Hostin household. The agents reportedly uncovered large sums of hidden cash, fueling rumors that it was tied to the fraudulent insurance payouts. But that's not all. Sources claim that the financial records seized during the raid might implicate Sunny herself. Could she have helped her husband cover up the fraud? Or was she completely unaware of his illegal activities? The discovery of hidden cash is a red flag, and if the financial documents confirm Sunny's involvement, she could face serious charges herself. The public is now watching closely, and the pressure is mounting. Will Sunny's legal expertise help her escape the scandal? Or will it drag her down into the mire alongside her? As a former prosecutor, Sunny Hostin built her career on being able to spot fraud from a mile away. So, how could she have missed what was allegedly going on right under her roof? The public is questioning whether she was completely oblivious or if she turned a blind eye to her husband's shady dealings. Social media is exploding with theories. Some believe Sunny may have knowingly assisted Emanuel, using her legal knowledge to cover up his crimes. Others suggest that Sunny might have been too trusting of her husband, never questioning the sudden windfall of money or the bizarre medical practices. Either way, her credibility is now in serious jeopardy, and the question remains, was she complicit? The fallout from this case isn't just affecting the Hostins, it's impacting ABC as well. The View is one of the network's most profitable shows, and they cannot afford to have their star host entangled in such a public scandal. Sources close to the network say that executives are scrambling to figure out how to handle the situation. Could Sunny's time on the show be over? If ABC decides to cut ties with Sunny, it wouldn't just be a career setback, it could mark the end of her television presence altogether. But what if she's innocent? With the pressure mounting from the media, ABC is faced with a tough decision: stand by their host or distance themselves from the controversy entirely. As the investigation continues, Sunny's name is now plastered across every tabloid, and she's quickly becoming the target of a media witch hunt. The press isn't just digging into her husband's alleged fraud, they're now revisiting every part of her career and personal life, searching for any signs of a deeper involvement in the scheme. While some outlets are focusing on the hidden cash found in the raid, others are digging into her history as a prosecutor, raising questions about whether she could have been part of a larger cover-up. The pressure is mounting, and every new detail makes the situation more complicated for Sunny. Her reputation, once built on trust and integrity, is rapidly crumbling, and the media seems relentless in its pursuit of the truth, no matter how ugly it may get. Amid all the chaos, one thing remains glaringly absent: Emanuel Hostin's voice. Despite the serious allegations against him, Emanuel has remained eerily silent. Legal experts suggest that his lack of comment could be part of a strategy to avoid saying anything that might harm his defense. However, some are speculating that Emanuel might already be cooperating with investigators in exchange for a reduced sentence. His silence is only fueling conspiracy theories, and many are beginning to question whether he's trying to protect more than just himself. As the case unfolds, will Emanuel eventually speak out, or will his silence remain part of his defense strategy? As federal agents continue to dig into the Hostin case, whispers are growing louder that this scandal could involve a much larger conspiracy. Allegations have surfaced suggesting that a network of doctors, financiers, and possibly even lawyers could be involved in covering up the fraud. If these theories are true, this scandal goes far beyond just the Hostins. It could implicate a range of powerful figures across various industries. Could Sunny Hostin have played a role in protecting these individuals from exposure? As a former federal prosecutor with vast legal knowledge and connections, some believe she might have helped orchestrate a cover-up to protect her husband, and possibly others. If investigators find evidence of a broader conspiracy, the consequences could be catastrophic, not just for the Hostins, but for the entire healthcare and legal systems. The Hostin family is now facing one of the most high-stakes legal battles in recent memory. If Emanuel is convicted, his career, and possibly his freedom, will be forever shattered. But if federal investigators uncover any link between Sunny and the alleged fraud, her entire career could come to an abrupt and public end. Both Hostins are gearing up for a prolonged legal battle, and with each passing day, the stakes grow higher. Will they be able to clear their names, or will this scandal leave them both in ruins? This is just the beginning, and the world is watching closely. So, what do you think? Is Sunny Hostin the victim of her husband's alleged crimes, or is she hiding something much darker? Will Emanuel face the consequences of his actions, or will he somehow escape the full weight of the law? And what about Sunny? Could this be the end of her career, or will she rise above the scandal? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more breaking Hollywood news.